Welcome back to our channel. Say goodbye to bulky vacuum cleaners and messy mops because the NARWAL S20 Pro cordless vacuum mop is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This sleek, all-in-one cordless cleaner vacuums and mops simultaneously, making it perfect for hard floors, tiles, and everyday messes. With its powerful suction, edge-to-edge cleaning, and self-cleaning system, the S20 Pro brings convenience, speed, and efficiency to your hands. Heavy messes, one pass perfection. With 20,000 pascals suction, the S20 Pro handles various tough spills, perfect for families with kids and pets, active kitchens, or any home dealing with frequent messes from daily activities or accidents. Self-cleaning and drying excellence. Activate with a click to not only clean but also dry the brush to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the mop is always ready, fluffy, and free from unpleasant odors, ideal for busy households seeking convenience and freshness. Smart sensing, enhanced cleaning. AI Dirt Sense technology adjusts power according to dirt levels for optimal cleaning. Plus, choose from 5 versatile cleaning modes to match every floor type and mess scenario. Effortless Glide and Extended Reach, lightweight and smooth glide like holding 2 soda cans, with a 180 degrees flat reach feature allowing easy cleaning under furniture without hassle, simplifying tasks for every user. Control with app. Automate your cleaning routine with scheduled cleanings. Start a quick spot clean when needed, set no-go zones around pet areas, and monitor progress and battery life in real time. All of these features are easily accessible from your smartphone, offering you greater convenience and control. Maintenance-free experience. Say goodbye to brush tangles and frequent refills with automatic solution dispensing for a smoother, cleaner home. Hassle-free, precise solution dispensing for deeper cleaning. This reduces the frequency of emptying, allowing you to clean more often without worrying about interruptions. Smooth operation, friendly interaction. Navigate cleaning with interactive LCD voice prompts, simplifying cleaning for all users, including seniors and children, with clear, easy instructions and feedback, all while maintaining quiet operation at 43 dB. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, sticky spills, or dust bunnies, the NARWAL S20 Pro makes cleaning fast, effortless, and even enjoyable. Lightweight, powerful, and smartly designed, it's the perfect tool to keep your home sparkling with less effort and more results. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.